Are you leading an active lifestyle? Taking concern and care for your health? Enjoying a successful career? In today's world, everyone leads a hectic schedule. Tensions and stress from our everyday lives can quickly take a toll. That is why it is so important to pay attention to your whole body, including your spine. Here at Trinka Chiropractic and Wellness Center, we focus on your well-being. We offer an array of services using top technologies to help you enjoy living that active lifestyle you want to lead. From cold laser therapy, on-site x-rays, diet and supplement consultations, to STEM therapy, the clinic features a water massage therapy bed to relax and ease muscles of stress and pain as well. Stop in or call to receive a free whole body evaluation and consultation. What do you have to lose but a little stress in your life?